لله رب العالمين وصلى الله وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. Our precious brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Many times we experience some changes when we fast, especially for those who fast for the first time. One of these changes is stomach growling, and someone is asking, I fast and I'm working and my stomach is growling. This is very normal things that happen for those who fast for the first time, and not only for those who fast for the first time, but those who fast for many years, because your stomach, is in need of something. And remember, you fast and you don't eat, you don't take no water, nothing. So definitely this is something that is going to be expected. It's just a normal body reaction because it is out of food or out of water. So any time that you experience something like this, the first thing that you have to understand is that you are fasting, and fasting comes with this type of experience and body changes that we experience during the period of fasting. Even the smell of our mouth also changes, and that's why Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam says in the hadith, لَخُلُوِّ فَمِ الصَّائِمِ أَطْيَبُ عِنْدَ اللَّهِ مِنْ رِيحِ الْمِسْكِ, that the smell coming out from the mouth of a fasting person is better in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala than the smell of musk. You and I know how it smell. It's very natural experience, so you don't have to worry about that, inshallah. You just have to focus on your fasting and ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make it easy on you. Ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant you his reward. This is one of the reward that comes with it. So let's try as much as possible to know that, inshallah, and identify these changes, inshallah, and that shouldn't scare us, inshallah. It is normal, inshallah. Now,
click subscribe to Good Tidings Net now.